Hey artists, are you ready to loaf around with some art?
No loafing, Dad. We have to draw the super cute bread slice.
You're right. I think I need to focus. So grab your markers and let's go. Alright, so let's start drawing our slice of bread or our toast character. I'm going to draw the bread first and then we'll draw the face and we'll give him some arms and legs as well, I think. Alright, let's start drawing the top of the bread. So we're going to start here and do a nice round curve and go around the other side. So it's almost like an oval, but we're going to leave a little bit open there. So this is the top of the bread. Alright, now we're going to draw a line going down here on the side and in there. Have a bit of a curved end to that, and then we can draw another line to about there. Cool, and then we'll just do another little curve on the corner here, so it's nice rounded corners, and then going straight up to there. So you can see already it's kind of the shape of a bread. Very flat, so we're going to give it some dimension. So let's draw a bit of the side here. So we're going to draw a small line going here, and again, a rounded curve end there. So basically we're going to copy this line here, but it's going to be set back a little bit. So we draw another line going about here, and then we'll draw another curve going around and joining somewhere along there. Great. If you wanted to, you can add another little line in here as well to give it some more detail. Alright, so let's draw, I think we'll draw the face next. So there's lots of different ways that you can draw it. You can draw eyes up here or down here, or you can make it big. Generally, if you put the eyes down lower and you make them big, it makes it look cute. So you can experiment with that. I'm just going to draw nice big oval eye here. And another one there, like that. And let's draw the pupils. Again, lots of different ways to do it. You can make them big, you can make them small. I'm going to make them big and kind of looking out to the side. Cool, and then I normally add a little circle on the top there that adds a bit of a reflection to the eye. And then you can, if you want to, you can colour it in. I'm just going to colour it in black, but if you want to, you can colour it in any colour you like. Blue, brown, green, pink, purple, whatever you like. Alright, and let's give them some eyebrows. I think that would be fun. Just make them up, nice curve and up high. Gives it some expression. Great, that's looking cool. And let's give it a bit of a mouth. The simple way to do a mouth is just a big U like that. But if you wanted to, you can actually close that off like that and then draw another little curve for his tongue. So he's actually got his mouth open. There we go, he's looking super cute. And Natasha has put a little poking tongue out there. That's funny as well. So you can play around with it and make it your own. Alright, now let's draw some hands. Let's draw a hand about here. We'll make him waving. And so let's draw, first of all, a little curve like that. So that's going to be his thumb. And then we'll draw a few more. We'll draw 1, 2, 3. And these are his other fingers. So cartoon characters normally have 4 fingers. Alright, and then we're going to draw the palm, do a little bit of a curve down here and round that off. So if you look at it, if you break it down to basic shapes, the hand is actually pretty much a circle with little bits coming out. Now just to give it some more detail, you can add another little curve here for this part of your thumb. Alright, and let's draw an arm connecting the hand to the body, and it's just a nice curve like that. There we go. And let's do one on the other side here as well. This one here, let's do a closed hand. So we're going to draw a bit of a curve like that. And then another curve there. Yeah. And then we just do an edge thing like that. So he's kind of holding his hands closed. And then again, we just draw 2 little lines joining it to his body. Alright, now let's draw some feet, because he's walking. And feet, we're going to do a real simple feet. We're just going to do a bit of an oval shape there, like that. Just leave that little part open at the top there, and we're going to create another little bump like that. Yeah. And then let's draw some legs, again, just like his arms. Just do a curved line there, nice and simple. Cool, and then we do a similar one on the other side here, but this leg is kind of facing slightly different direction. But similar shape, nice just big oval like that. Cool, and then we do another curve there as well for his legs. There we go, and that is the line work for our Mr. Toast or Mr. Slice of Bread's character. The next part is to colour in, and we're going to fast forward this part. Alright, and we've finished colouring in, and it's great character to colour in. We both made ours a little bit brown, so it looks like it could be brown bread or it could be toast, or you could make it white, or you can make any colour you want really, it's up to you. I've added some details in here, like some little dots. It looks like the texture of the bread, but it actually also adds freckles to the character as well, so it makes it look cute. I'll just give him red shoes. You can colour that in whatever you like there as well. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing our slice of bread or toast, whatever you want it to be. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy, so I hope to see you again soon.